So this is an update every month like I promised. This is the first time I actually borrowed money from Cashapp, and they actually increased my limit the exact same day. Like literally as soon as I paid back the loan early, they actually gave me an extra $25 bonus. That's what we're gonna cover in here. I'm Lando Success. Hope all is well. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's get this thing popping. So here we go. So I did this early this morning. It says $225 borrow limit. This is the amount you can borrow. It may change based on several factors, including whether you repay your loan on time, how much money you deposit into your Cashapp and keep there. And y'all know my philosophy, they completely discriminate depending on who it is. Some people get this feature, some people don't. Let me know in the comments if you have this feature, or if you don't. I want to see if somebody reach out to Cashapp and see if they give it to somebody. Now, to my assumption and to my research, you have to repay the loan early every time to be able to get that extra $25 bonus. Now, the one time that I didn't pay it early, they didn't give it to me, and I did it to test the theory. So you got a few ways you can borrow all of it, and they ask you, do you want to repay it all at once? Now here go the amount you would do. $225 is instant, a flat fee of $11.25. So on September 16th, a player will have to pay back 236 of those things. But you know, it be like that sometimes. Let's go ahead and hit confirm. Now they ask a few things. Do you want to pay weekly? Do you want to do it, once a month? I actually made a mistake and clicked the weekly, so I'm going back and I'm actually going to just do once a month because, my goal is with my YouTube video, hopefully I make over the $11 doing it, so that's why I need them likes. Then it completely be worth it. I do this once a month for people. All right, so it's as you get cash, when you get money in your Cashapp, a small amount will be set aside for your loan until it's paid off. So when people send you money or you get a paycheck, they just take it's stupid. It'd be like $6, $3. It'd be a random amount. The weekly, you can do that depending on your payment situation. Me, I just paid off all at once. So let's go ahead and do that. If your total repayment amount is $236, isn't fully paid back by September 16th, you'll be charged a whole one-time fee of $5. Now, I don't know what happened if you actually just don't pay it back. You take a month. It could be worse. Everything could go a lot higher. So you have to do the terms. I'm going to scroll past my personal information. But you see the percentage. You borrow instantly, and bam, the money is now available in your Cashapp. To avoid them bringing the feds to your building, all you have to do is pay that money back. And if you look at the bottom left, the money went right back to my account. So I'm back rich and all of that type of stuff. Hope all is well. Hope people get availability for it. Now, random, I think I'm going to try to put the screenshot if I find it. My wife, she used Cashapp all the time. She never had the availability situation, but she got a text message like a week or so ago saying, hey, you can now borrow $50 on Cashapp. And I'm gonna probably put the message somewhere so you can see it. So she didn't do anything different. I just think this feature is being rolled out to different people. Hers started with $50. So that's interesting to see. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm Lando Success. Talk to you guys. So real quick, y'all, as I'm editing this video, I read her message and it said the $50 borrow situation is only available at a limited amount of time. So I was wondering, if you don't use it, do you lose it? So I literally just went to her phone and it's gone. So you literally, when you get that text message, I guess it become available for a hot second, then it disappeared because she no longer have the borrow thing no more. So that's interesting. So the message said you had a limited amount of time to use it. So that's interesting, good thing to know. So if you do get it, I would say just literally borrow it so it can keep on going up, and it's only like $3. So it's kind of worth it once it go up. So it's interesting. All right, appreciate y'all. Later.